As an administrator within Kakuma municipality, I think what needs to be done is all partners of organizations within around the UN agencies need to bring their head together and support programs or activities that support the progress of the young people within the camp. Yeah, right from having quality education, right from primary, secondary, and then short the TVET, short courses. Those who have gone to short courses should after this should get a way out to get employment. So they should also look as they educate, they should also provide opportunities because they are limited to the camp.